All right, guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to talk about a question about beard balms mostly being used for shorter beards, and can you use beard balm in a longer beard? So that's what we're going to talk about. Thanks to Andrew for popping that question for me. He sent it to me in a DM and said, hey, try this as a topic. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to talk about it, and I know it's something that I've said before, that balm is mostly used for shorter beards, but I still use it in my beard. And I'm going to talk about reasons and how to after the intro. So stay tuned. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, beard tips, and gear reviews, then you have definitely come to the right channel. So, like I said in the beginning, a friend of mine, Andrew, he posed this question. Beard balm is mostly marketed to shorter beards and butter for longer beards. He said, but you still use beard balm in your beard. He said, do a video explaining why. Kind of, nutshell. Maybe not verbatim, but that's nutshell. All right, so that's what we're going to talk about. My beard is this length, and I still use beard balm in my beard, partly for review purposes. All right, so what I've got here is I've got last month's products, which is from Old Dog's Beard Co. Old Dog's Beard Oils. This was found on Etsy. However, they've shut shop down. So if you want to figure out what I thought about it, go back and watch last month's videos and you will see. But we got oil and we've got a butter. Now a balm. Now this balm is heavy on the beeswax. It's not a firm hold, but it is got a little bit of attack to it. So there's a couple reasons why you would use beard balm with a shorter beard as opposed to beard butter. Now you can use both on a shorter beard because the beard butter is going to give you that super concentrated conditioning. It's going to do a really good job. Balm is not conditioning. All right, balm, it may have a butter in it. This one has shea butter. Not all the time do they have a butter, but this balm is going to be, balms are either going to be a light hold, a medium hold, or a firm hold, in my opinion. So as your beard is starting to grow, you're wanting to tame that beard. You're wanting to keep the flyaways from going because your beard is so short. So that's when you would use a balm. You would put it on the outside of your beard to hold that beard to your face or straight down. All right, so with my beard the length it is, I can still use it for flyaways. All right, so what I would do is apply my oil, then go in and apply heat if I'm gonna do that. I wouldn't use balm on a longer beard if I wasn't straightening it in some form, whether that be with a beard straightener or a blow dryer. So that's my opinion on that. I mean, some other guys may say something different, but if I'm not straightening it, I'm not really worried about flyaways because it's just doing its natural curl and its own thing. Today I have added heat to my beard, so it is straight. Got a little bit of a divot here, but that's fine. So what I would do if I'm testing this product out, I'm going to use this balm two different ways. The first way I'm going to use it is I'm going to put my oil in, I'm going to apply heat, and then I'm going to get a little bit, I won't put it in right now, but I'm going to get just a little bit. With the length of my beard, I'm getting probably a little bit more than a thumbnail. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to rub that in my hands, and then I am only going outside of my beard. I'm wanting to get that just on the outside of my beard. I'm not going in my beard, under my beard, not going to the skin. I'm not even putting my fingertips in my beard. I'm just going outside just like this. And I'm just kind of training and taming that beard to be where I want it to be. Now, is it going to stay all day? No, it's not going to stay like that all day, but it's going to stay for a while. And it's going to stay probably long enough for you to go to work. All right. The other way that I like to use a balm with a beard this length is doing my mix method. So I think I've seen a couple other people do it, but this is one way. For instance, this company, they only have oil and Balm. They don't have a butter. And I like using a butter at night. So what I do, we're gonna come back in. I'm actually gonna put this in. I did not bring my spray bottle out here to wet it, so it may not do very well. This definitely works better on a damp beard, but we're gonna try it. We'll see. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. I brought me a little rag out here to wipe my hands off too, so. All right, so we're gonna need about that much Balm. Shake our oil up, which is almost empty, so we're probably just gonna, let's see if we can get any in the dropper. We can get some. Let me get that down here. So I'm just gonna put not even a normal size portion. I'm gonna put, I gotta tilt the bottle to get any. So that's all I'm gonna put. If you can see, it's about a whole dropper. It took me 2 times to get it, but it's about a whole dropper, maybe a little less than a whole dropper. Normally when I'm putting oil in with the length of my beard, I'm going with a little over a dropper. Not quite a dropper and a half, maybe a dropper and a quarter. So then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it right here in my hand. And then I'm gonna mix, I can't really twist it too much. Then I'm gonna mix these two together. So I'm gonna get that beeswax, that butter, all those oils, they're going to mix together like so. Now, what I've basically made is similar to a butter. Is it as good as a butter? No. But will it work if all you have is an oil and a balm? Yes. So there it is. And I'm just gonna put this in. Start on the outside. I'm gonna go under. I just want it all through my beard. And what this is gonna do is it's not just gonna hold. It's gonna firm up a little bit, and it's gonna give a little bit of hold property according to how firm your balm is. But for the most part, it's just gonna help. That oil is gonna help get that balm all through your beard and make it to where you can wear a balm with a longer beard. So there's that. I got very little, I got a little shine, a little residue on my hands. Normally I would wipe that on my arms, but it's a little bit warm out here already today. So I'm just gonna wipe this on this rag. In that case, I would do 2 things with my hands. I would either wipe them on my arms or I would wipe them through my head hair, especially if I was about to go to bed. If I was doing that at night, like jump out the shower, put that in, rub the excess through my head hair, and now I'm good to go. I would normally also comb this through, but I failed to bring a comb out here. I'm just slacking. But anyway, really wanted to show you that you don't have to stop using beard balm as your beard gets longer. There are still ways you can use it. And if you like a small company that only has oil and balm, use them. They can be used and they can be useful. Now, is this balm going to do the same thing as a butter would do? No, it's not. But I can tell you that last month when I was doing this, when I would wake up in the morning, my beard felt very, very good. It felt very soft, very healthy. So it does work. There you go. Take it for what you will. Try it. See what you think about it. I've done a video before about how to, this little magic concoction of balm and oil. So go check out, I don't remember how long ago that video is or what even the title was, but I just wanted to do it again, show you. I'm trying to go back and redo some old videos where quality wasn't maybe the best, but balm and oil, mix them together in your hand, and you have essentially like a beard butter. Or use this after you apply heat to keep those flyaways down. If you don't have a chance to, if you don't want to trim until, like, trim those flyaways that are coming up by your ears until the next day, or you want to wait till the weekend, hit a little bit of balm on there and pull them down, and they'll stay long enough for you to get what you need done. So there you go. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that like button and drop me a comment. Have you ever, if you're still here, drop me a comment. Have you ever mixed oil and balm to apply to your beard? If you have, let me know. If not, tell me what you think about the process. Do you think it's simple? You think it'll work? You think it won't work? Tell me your thoughts. I love to hear them. So I will see you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.